How to clear cache on Android free of storage space. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. In some Androids you guys can do directly, like for example there is a lot of apps like KitKat, so I'll simply hold on that. Now here you guys will see I option on right side, so simply click on that. Now here you guys can see data usage, storage usage, so simply click on storage usage. Once we click here you guys can see clear data, clear cache, so simply click on clear cache, and once we do that, that's it, our cache will be clear. The second method was you guys will simply scroll. Now here you guys can see on top right corner setting option. Once we click here you guys will simply search for apps. Now here you guys can see app management, so simply click on app management. Here you guys can see all your apps. So for example, I want to clear cache of camera, simply I will click on camera. Once we click here you guys can see storage usage, so simply click on storage usage. Now here you guys can see clear data, clear cache, simply click on clear cache, and once we click here, that's it, our cache will be cleared in our Android mobile. Thanks for watching.